Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you another plan with me, and today I'm going to be using this adorable kit, and this is by Some Little Things, and you can see here it is a full kit, no white space, lots and lots of boxes. I love these little check boxes and all the different colors. This is such a cute kit, but it doesn't come with washi. So you know how I like to put my washi strip on the bottom, and this one doesn't have any, so I pulled out this washi, and this is from, I think this is one of my Simply Gilded washis, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to put that down on the bottom, and then I realized after I put it down, because it's kind of see-through and I didn't white out the bottom like some people do. I never do, but this time I kind of regret it because I can really see through it. So what I did do is, I don't show it in the video because I actually found it after the fact, but I had a washi from Coco Daisy that looks exactly like the wood grain that's in all of the little scenes. So when you look at the scenes and you see the wood grain that's in there is exactly the same on this washi strip that I have. And so I've laid it, and it's a skinnier strip than that. So I laid it down right underneath that gold strip, and it looks fantastic. I love the way it came out with that extra like dark brown wood strip at the bottom. It looks way better. So I'm going to start putting down all of the headers and then put down the dates and then get started planning. This kit is the first one I ever bought from Some Little Things. I've been watching them for a while. I love their stuff. My favorite character is No, that it's a little dinosaur. It's absolutely adorable, but they have a few others. Let me see if I can find theirs. So when you buy from them, it comes in a little menu. Oh, there it is. I found it on my desk. I'll tell you who all these characters are. I don't know who the frog is. So when I put up the frog scene box, he's not on the little menu, but one of the bunnies' names is Lil, and then there's Mimi. The little, they look like, I think they're probably hamsters, Oatmeal and Cinnamon. They're absolutely adorable. Then there's No, who's the little dino. There's another Nar, which is a narwhal, and then Chi is an angry bird. That one's not in here, but those are like the little characters that are in here. But I really like that frog, and I wish I knew what his name was. So if anybody knows what his name is, leave it down in the comments below, because I'm going to go looking for him, I think, next time. I did sign up for their monthly subscription, and so I got, what was the last one that came in? I'm going to use it. Let me pull it out of my drawer so I can actually take a look at it, and I'll show it when I use it. But it's like the space themed one. It's really cute, and I got that extra big bundle, so it came with 3 different washis and some stamps, all kinds of stuff. So I'll show that in the next time I plan with me with it. But the next plan with me will probably be in my new planner. So I ordered it's called the hybrid planner. It's a TPC hybrid planner. So this planner right here is my Avalon Ninth, and this is my shop planner. So I'm going to be using this one still for all of my shop stuff. That's not going to change, but my daily household planner is going to change over to that other one starting in September, because it's only a 4-month planner, so I want to try it out for the rest of the year. So it'll be September, October, November, December, and then I'll see if I want to do it again in January. But it's basically like, it's got a monthly section, a weekly section, and then a daily section, and then it goes to the next month with the monthly, weekly, daily. So you can plan it out, and it's supposed to be, you can do whatever you want with it, but what I plan on doing with it is the monthly section to do the overall monthly stuff. And since this is my home planner, the weekly, I'm going to continue doing it the way I always do, which is planning out my week. But then the daily stuff, I wanted to try the memory keeping. So I made myself like a little template on my silhouette, super easy to do, and I made the boxes the size of what would be the standard 1.5 by 2 box. Well, it's 1.5 by 1.9 tall, and I made that, and then I've been dropping pictures into it, and then I print out the pictures on the glossy sticker paper, and then I've been using I have like a little stack of them that I'm waiting to use in the new planner. So when it comes, I'm going to do a little bit of planning in it and see how I like doing the memory planning in the daily section. So I'm going to have to start stocking up on some kits, because I mean, I have a lot of kits, but I don't think I have enough to do like 7 days a week of daily stuff. So I'm going to have to start working on stocking up, which doesn't hurt my feelings at all. I'm totally okay with that, because there are so many cute kits out there. I have my a couple of different subscriptions to Some Little Things. I've got Happy Daya. Those ones I absolutely love, and they're kind of similar in that when the kits come, there are some foiled and some not foiled. The last Happy Day kit that I got, oh my gosh, it is so stinking cute. But it is Halloween themed, and it's got the foiling, and oh my god, I can't wait to use that one. So I'll show you that one and apply with me too. But I also just recently started a haul video, so you'll see that coming up, where I'm gonna haul all of the stuff that is coming this month. So it'll be kind of an August haul. It'll come, probably put that out more towards the end of the month, so you guys can see everything that I've picked up this month from both the TPC sale and stuff that's not. So I've already started hauling it, and like Cocoa Daisy's in there, my Sugar and Sloth is in there, and then there's some other stuff that is not. I also ordered for the very first time from Glam Planner. I ordered for the first time from Scribble Prints Co. And I know those are big named companies. I don't usually order from the big named ones because I find their kits to be super expensive. But from Glam Planner, I ordered some foils and a kit that was in the like the getting the clearance section. And then from Glam Planner, I only ordered one kit that's in the regular, and it was one of the big kits, and then the rest of them I ordered from like the part where she's getting rid of everything, so that like clearance section. So I didn't go crazy and buy a bunch of stuff that's super expensive. I was really kind of frugal with it because I like to save up my monthly budget for stickers and use it with the small shops, so the TPC shops. But since I didn't get to order from Avalon Ninth this month because she's the shop is kind of on vacation for a month. I have everything. She didn't come out with anything new this month because they're moving. So I had all that money that I usually spend at Avalon and Ninth available, so I decided to try out some new shops. Anyway, let me get back to the planner. Look how stinking cute this is. It is so adorable. I love all of the foiling, and it's a gold foil. It's just, I love looking at this. So since this is my shop planner, and it's this is going up a little bit late because it was sale. The sale ended on Monday, and I only had Monday and Tuesday off. Then I'm going back to work on Wednesday, which is when this is going to go up. I work Wednesday, Thursday, and then I'm back off again Friday, Saturday, Sunday, where I can finish up all the last of the orders that I have to do. I have been printing and cutting nonstop for 48 hours. Like, I have so much stuff printed and that's still in a pile that needs to be cut. Some things I'm not a ready to ship shop, and whenever there's a TPC sale, there's always, quite a lot of orders to get through, and I try to print everything out as much as I can. And I am trying to be a ready to ship, guys. I'm trying so hard to be a ready to ship, but every time I start to print out kits and then the sale comes, and I'm always behind. I'm always behind. So I don't know. maybe I just need to take like a month off from the TPC sale and like just go through the whole shop and clean stuff out, get rid of some things, decide when I want to have ready to ship. I don't know. It's all a process. The Facebook group opened up. It's slowly but surely getting filled up. So if you guys haven't gone over there yet, go over there and check out the Facebook group and sign up. Because on the Facebook group, I'm going to be posting sometime this week, because my plan is Saturday and Sunday for that sale to happen. But I have oops grab bags. Like, I've got a ton of them. I got like a whole box of them to get rid of, and so there'll be like an oops sale. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to announce it in the Facebook group, and there's going to be a special code in the Facebook group that will get you the grab bag stuff early before I release it to everybody else. So if you want to get grab bags from my shop, and they're pretty good, I'll say they're pretty good. My friend Jolene put them together for me. I gave her a whole box of stuff. She went home and she put together all these grab bags, and she went through and did them like by Hobonichi and by Standard Vertical. So there's a whole bunch to choose from. So once I get that straightened out, and don't quote me, it may not be this weekend because work has been so crazy. And my plan was on Wednesday was to bring my laptop and try to get it done on, try to figure out the whole thing on Wednesday. So if I don't get it done, I apologize, and I will try to get it done the following week. But join the Facebook group. Anyway, this is what I have left over. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Don't have a whole ton of stuff to talk about this week, but I really enjoy doing these Plan With Me's, and I hope you do too. So I will see you again real soon, and like I said, join the Facebook group. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.